Hey guys, Kim Turn here, also known as Kim. Erin and I, along with Lucy and Katie, have been taking down Christmas. And well, let me just show you. We've done this much in one day, where we take down the villages and the houses and we take out all the snow and things like that. And then we get out the tables and we start putting stuff on the tables.
Got some empty boxes. Got to get out all the boxes from all the walls we put them in this year, which was a good idea, I think. We'll see at the end of this.
And then you see inside our little boxes. We hid things in the walls. Try to match the boxes to the building, to the people. It's insane.
Take your building, and maybe you remember where it was, maybe you don't remember where it was. I don't remember where this was. Hopefully it's on the table. And then you search. And we play Where's Waldo?
Without Waldo.
And we try to find the baby doll boutique building, which may or may not be over here.
I don't think we've taken it out yet.
This was a bad example, wasn't it? Baby doll.
Because you have all those houses, that table of houses, this table of houses, those tables of houses. Hey Erin, I found it. But I don't think it's unplugged.
So, I'm going to put this box here for when we take that out. And that's what we do.
Those boxes go with something in this area.
So, that's how this game is played, and we just do this over and over and over. And the worst part is the trees, when there's no picture of what tree goes in that box.
Oh yeah, Erin has issues with the trees.
But it's okay, they get done. So, that's what we're going to be doing this week. It usually takes, I don't know, 3 or 4 days. And then we'll set up Goosebumps. And you'll be getting a video about that very soon.
Ooh.
Bye.
Now, I gotta get back to work. Just as an update from Kim Turn. Don't tell Erin I hacked. Bye.